And now let's look at a text transform property in CSS. So here I'm going to say this is going to be heading 1 over here like this, and I'm going to say that I am main heading. I am main heading over here like this. Then over here I'm going to say that this is going to be a heading 6. I'm going to say that this is going to be a I am subheading, right? So I am subheading over here. And you know what, maybe heading 6 is a little bit too rough, right? So let's go with heading 3. And then over here we're going to say a paragraph, right? And I'm going to write purposely all caps, right? So over here I'm going to say this should be a caps, and I'm going to say that this is going to be a I am paragraph over here, right? So I'm going to save this, and over here we're going to go back to main CSS, and we're going to start applying the styles, right? So for heading 1 over here, I'm going to say that there's going to be text transform, text over here, and we're going to say text transform, and we're going to say that this is going to be a uppercase, right? So obviously you can see what's happening, right? That all the letters are uppercase, right? Now we're going to go to heading 6 over here, or heading 3, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this is going to be a text transform, and we're going to say that this is going to be capitalized, right? So obviously only the first letter is actually going to be capitalized, right? Or uppercase. And over here for the paragraph, right, I purposely wrote all caps, and over here what I'm going to say that this is going to be text transform, and what I'm going to say this is going to be text transform with a value of what? Of actually lowercase, right? So right away all the letters become lowercase, and this is going to be it for a text transform property.